In the world of kitchen appliances, few tools are as indispensable as a high-quality blender. When it comes to combining power, versatility, and ease of use, this Blendtec Total Blender Classic stands out as a premier choice. This professional-grade countertop blender, featuring a 75-ounce FourSide jar, offers a range of advanced functionalities designed to transform your culinary experience. Let's dive into what makes this blender a top contender for anyone serious about their kitchen. At first glance, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic exudes a sense of rugged durability and sophistication. A sleek black exterior complements any modern kitchen decor, while the robust construction promises longevity. The blender's FourSide jar, with its impressive 75-ounce capacity, is designed to handle both small and large batches efficiently. Constructed from BPA-free Triton plastic, the jar is both durable and resistant to staining and odors. The jar's unique design includes a square shape, creates a powerful vortex during blending. This vortex pulls ingredients toward the blades rather than pushing them to the sides of the jar. This innovative design minimizes the need for a tamper, reducing the effort required to get a smooth blend and making cleanup significantly easier. When it comes to performance, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic does not disappoint. Equipped with a 1,560-watt motor, this blender delivers exceptional power that can tackle even the toughest ingredients. 10-speed settings, coupled with a pulse option, allow for precise control over the blending process. Whether you're making a silky smoothie, chunky salsa, or a creamy soup, this blender offers the versatility to handle it all. One of the standout features of the Blendtec Total Blender Classic is its ability to heat ingredients through friction. This means you can make hot soups directly in the blender, without needing to transfer your blend to a stove. The blender's heating capability also extends to making frozen desserts like ice cream, further showcasing its versatility. The Blendtec Total Blender Classic comes with 6 pre-programmed cycles designed to simplify your blending task. These cycles include options for batters, mixed drinks, smoothies, frozen treats, whole juices, and hot soup. Each cycle is tailored to achieve optimal results for specific recipes, taking the guesswork out of blending and ensuring consistent quality every time. The inclusion of a pre-programmed self-cleaning cycle is another major convenience. After preparing your meals, simply add hot water and a drop of dish soap to the jar, activate the self-cleaning mode, and the blender will clean itself with minimal effort from you. This feature significantly reduces the time spent on cleanup, allowing you to enjoy your meals without the hassle of scrubbing. Ease of use is a key factor in any kitchen appliance, and the Blendtec Total Blender Classic excels in this regard. The blender features a user-friendly interface with one-touch buttons for the pre-programmed cycles, along with a digital LCD timer that displays the remaining blend time. The 10-speed manual control and pulse option provide additional flexibility, allowing you to customize the blending process to suit your needs. The FourSide jar's design also contributes to ease of use. Its wide base and angled sides ensure that ingredients are continually directed toward the blades, reducing the need for manual intervention. Additionally, the jar's ergonomic handle makes pouring and serving straightforward and spill-free. Cleaning the Blendtec Total Blender Classic is a breeze thanks to its innovative design. The self-cleaning cycle is particularly effective, eliminating the need for strenuous scrubbing. For routine cleaning, simply rinse the jar and lid with warm water and mild soap. The blender's base can be wiped down with a damp cloth. Keep it looking pristine. The Blendtec Total Blender Classic represents a significant investment, but it's one that pays off with its exceptional performance and versatility. The ability to blend, heat, and even clean itself sets it apart from many other blenders on the market. Whether you're preparing soups, smoothies, sauces, or ice cream, this blender can handle a wide range of tasks with ease. The blender's large jar capacity is ideal for families or those who entertain frequently, while its professional-grade power ensures that it can handle even the most demanding recipes. The advanced technology and thoughtful design features justify the price tag and make it a worthwhile addition to any kitchen. In conclusion, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic is more than just a high-powered kitchen appliance. It's a time-saving tool that enhances your cooking experience. Its combination of durability, performance, and convenience makes it a standout choice for anyone looking to elevate their culinary game. With its innovative jar design, powerful motor, and versatile functionality, this blender is a worthy investment for those who value efficiency and quality in their kitchen. Pros: powerful 1,560-watt motor, innovative FourSide jar design, 6 pre-programmed cycles for various recipes, self-cleaning cycle for easy maintenance, can blend and heat ingredients simultaneously. Cons: higher price point, large footprint, may require ample counter space. If you're ready to transform your kitchen and streamline your meal prep, the Blendtec Total Blender Classic is an excellent choice. It combines advanced technology with user-friendly features, deliver exceptional blending results every time. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.